Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to make a payment on your Geico insurance bill online in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide, so let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you got to do is to log into your Geico online account. So just go to the website and log into your account, and once you're logged in, you're going to click on billing. The next step will be to select the policy that you want to make a payment on. So just go ahead and select that policy from the available options, and once you find it, click on it. And step 3 is going to be to enter your payment information. So now that you have the policy selected, just go ahead and enter your payment information, including your bank accounts or your credit card details. And the fourth step is going to be to review and confirm your payment. So you want to make sure that you go over those information one more time, just to make sure that everything is accurate, and confirm that. And once that's done, go ahead and submit your payments, and Geico is going to process that for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a payment on your Geico insurance bill online. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found this information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.